How to update your Discord easy and fast. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to update your Discord easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to Play Store and search for Discord, and now click update. Here you will find the option of update if you have an old version of Discord. It's very easy, as I said, just click on update and your Discord will be updated easy and fast. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much and see you later.